Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and choosing the base voice. This saves time later. Open Google Assistant settings now, pick a stable internet connection, and test microphones. Once done, preview available assistant voices and pick the one closest to a deeper, neutral tone. Make sure to enable voice match so the assistant recognizes you. These steps create the foundation, clean audio plus a deeper bass voice, so the next transformation sounds convincing and responsive. Now you shape the tone, use an EQ to add warmth and presence. Boost low-mid frequencies between 150 and 400 Hz to give body. Reduce highs above 6K Hz to avoid sibilance. Once applied, add a tiny amount of reverb and a short delay. This creates spatial depth without sounding artificial. Make sure effects are subtle. Overdoing them ruins clarity. Test by asking simple prompts and listening for intelligibility. Then fine-tune the EQ bands and reverb mix until the voice feels. Finish by programming signature Jarvis-style phrases and mapping them into assistant routines. Write short, decisive prompts and craft responses that include your chosen cadence, short commands followed by brief explanatory lines. Once set, run through the full flow several times and record the output to compare. If responses sound thin, raise the 150-400 Hz band. If words blur, reduce reverb or lower the wet mix. Troubleshooting tip: if voice changes inconsistently, clear assistant cache and reboot the device, then reapply your EQ preset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.